Hello RX Plus viewers and welcome to the first episode of Doc on Duty this March. Alam niyo, nakatanggap tayo ng sulat mula kay John Bennett Santa Rufina na nagkaroon ng matinding takot dahil daw sa naranasan niya noon. At etong sinabi niya, "Naoperahan po ako sa ulo nung baby ako dahil may hydrocephalus ako. Ngayon po, may kinalaman po ba yung operasyon kung bakit ako may phobia ngayon?" Okay John, para malaman natin kung may kinalaman ang iyong phobia sa naranasan mo nung ikay bata pa, kumonsulta tayo sa isang psychiatrist neurologist sa De Los Santos Medical Center in the person of Dr. Chris Eligo. Doktora, ano nga ba yung problema ni John?
Thank you, Dr. Cecil. Siguro ang pinaka-first na importanteng malaman natin is ano muna yung phobia. So usually phobia is defined as an excessive fear of something or yung sobrang takot na wala sa tamang lugar. So siguro magandang tanungin kay John kung anong klase ba yung phobia na nararamdaman niya before we can really define. Kasi marami hong klase yung phobia. But basically, ang phobia, yun nga, as I said, excessive fear and anxiety or sobrang nervyos about something. So whether it's due to animals or heights or dugo, so marami hong klase kasi. Number one is genetic factors. No? Usually, pag meron tayong kamag-anak na may phobia, 34% to 40% at least namamana ho siya. Pag wala naman ho, meron naman po sa brain wiring natin na nagsisecrete ng extreme na chemicals that makes us aware or respond to fear ng mas excessive kumpara sa normal person. Usually, it takes time. You need to have a combination of therapy or tinatawag namin psychotherapy plus medications. But there is a cure. Kumbaga, as long as we help the patient to control the emotions or the fear, usually naman, nagre-remit ang symptoms ng phobia. So, John, kung walang kinalaman yung operation mo before nung ikaw ay bata, now what we have to do is to find out kung talaga phobia yung meron ka. So, I would suggest, mas maganda magpatingin ka sa doktor or pumunta ka sa amin, bisitahin mo kami sa De Los Santos Medical Center, and then we can talk more about your symptoms. Then perhaps we can find a cure.
Thank you, Doc, for that very informative advice. And sana, John, may napulot ka sa mga sinabi ni Doktora para makatulong sa iyong phobia kung phobia man yan. At sa ating mga televiewers na may nais i-abiso tungkol sa inyong mga health concerns, just visit our Facebook page, RX Plus, and leave a message in our inbox. Again, this is Doc Cecil, your Doc on Duty, and I'll see you all again next week.
This portion was brought to you by the De Los Santos Medical Center.